Good day, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome once more to my channel. This is your anchor man, Mr. Equity Man. You're welcome this morning. Today I have a news I want to share with us. It's a shocking news, but before I continue, I want to plead with you as usual that if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe and then give me the thumb up, press the thumb up buttons. That is your way of encouraging me to continue to upload to us, trending news and political news. Just like I said earlier on, today I have a news. It's a shocking news of a young man from Lagos State Polytechnic who committed suicide. And I want to read out the story. Let us get to know the reason why a handsome young man like this should take his own life. The story goes like this. The Higher National Diploma HND2 student of Lagos State Polytechnic, Ezekiel Joshua Mayowa, committed suicide by drinking snapper, an insecticide after his girlfriend of 9 years left him for a rich suitor. Before committing the act, the hospitality management part-time student went live on his Facebook page on Thursday night, dangling a bottle of snapper from the video clip. He was seen crying in his room at the Ikorodu campus. He cried and complained bitterly that he lost his girlfriend when she left for her National Youth Service Corps (NYSC). He stated in the video clip that his girlfriend cited an unresolved incident that happened 3 years ago as the reason behind her quitting the relationship, and that all efforts for her to forgive him proved abortive as her girlfriend turned a deaf ear to his plea and was bent on quitting the relationship. He also advised men in the video clip to ensure they had money before dating any girl, since it was obvious that his girlfriend left him for a rich guy. Wow. Man, this promising young man, is this enough reason for you to take your own life? A life you did not create, a life you did not bring into the world. You never had any right to take your own life. And not for a flimsy reason that your girlfriend left you. You caused such great agony to your parents, to your mother, who carried you for 9 months. You didn't consider the pain she went through, to your father, to your brothers and sisters, to your friends, to your family. It is not a wise thing to do. And I want to encourage all youths out there that suicide is not an option. No matter the situation you face in life, taking your life is not an option. Particularly the one that has to do with boyfriend, girlfriend. My girlfriend left me, you want to go and take your life. My boyfriend left me, you want to go and commit suicide. What are you going to say when you get to the throne of judgment? What are you going to tell God? You took away your own life. It's not encourageable at all. So I appeal to young people. Life is full of challenges. Life is full of disappointments. You never knew if this girl that left you, not that you never knew, the fact that she left you for a richer guy is an indication that she was not meant for you. You could, when you're ready to marry, you could marry the most beautiful woman on earth at that time. Maybe God was preparing a queen or somebody much better than her. But alas, this is the way you choose to end your life. It's very sad. I want to encourage the parents to take heart. I want to encourage anyone that is directly related to Mr. late Joseph Mayowa, to please take heart. God knows why it should go this way. And at the same time, I want to appeal to the government to look into this The issue of this substance that most youth use these days to kill themselves, what is it called again? They call it snapper. You know, this is a new thing. It has not been in our society before now. I don't know what it is used for. They say it's an insecticide. Government should consider banning such thing. Anyway, what I really want to say is that once somebody has made up his or her mind to take his own life, um, you don't need much. You don't need snapper as per se. Any substance that is directly abused can lead to death. So this is where I will end this story. It's not a very good story, and I want to encourage us before you quit this period. I want to encourage you to make sure you subscribe. Go ahead and press the subscription button. It's an encouragement to me. It gives me more airtime to bring you such news, and they give me the thumb up. God bless you. Remain blessed till I come your way again. Don't forget that this is your anchor man, Mr. Equity Man. Remain blessed.